Hi, it's time once again for coffee, crafting, and cats with the Ginger Cat Lady. I'm Pam, and Harley, well, he's currently hiding under the steampunk hat he borrowed after the last filming session. Craft audit pending. I started this channel a few months ago, not really knowing who would watch, or if anyone would. And now, we've just passed 500 subscribers, which means it's time to celebrate. This channel has brought me so much more than just views. It's brought community, encouragement, creative energy, and new friends. This folio has been part of a story, my own and Thaddeus P. Gearwright's. It's full of gears, secrets, shady time travelers, and just the right amount of vintage grime. And now, I want to pass it on to one of you. One lucky winner will receive this Steampunk Travel Folio, handmade by yours truly. Entering to win is really easy. All you need to do is 1. Be subscribed to this channel, 2. Make sure your subscriptions are public, and 3. Leave a comment on this video before July 7th, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Yep, that's all you have to do, and you're in. On July 9th, I'll draw one lucky winner, and they'll receive this handmade Steampunk Traveler's Folio as a thank you from me and Harley. So be sure to check back. And just a quick note, I'm happy to cover shipping within the US. If you're international, we'll chat. We can work something out. From 478 subs to over 530 subs in just 2 magical days, I'm floored, and I cannot wait to keep growing together. Come back tomorrow for the next installment of Thaddeus and Friends. We're diving into the Nemesis Z-Fold. And hey, don't forget to check out the 2 shorts I made for the weekly library card challenge. The links should be popping up on your screen right about now. And as always, may your scraps be endless and your glue never dry. See you in the next one. Bye.